Welcome back again to another episode. Today we're going to cover Pyserial for the Arduino. Right now, the first thing you're going to want to do is to go to python.org and make sure that you already have Python, the latest Python 3 and Python 2 downloaded. You'll also want to make sure that you have the additional drivers. Now, when you're programming this, you're going to want to set up an IDE. I kind of like Tony. If you go, you can see you've got Tony here. Tony.org. That's got a beautiful little IDE you can click. It also works well on the Raspberry Pi, so you can kind of use it for whatever system you're working on. Now, to begin with our tutorial here, let's go to our skata123.com website and click on Tutorials. Now, here you'll want to scroll down a bit, and then you can see towards the bottom under Communications for Arduino, you're going to want to basically select your Arduino code, and you can just click and download it. You'll go to your Arduino then, and then once that's installed, you'll want to download that sketch to your Uno. Now, once you do that, another thing you're going to want to see before you get going too far is to go to your tools, and at your tools, you're going to want to see what is the COM. So for here you can see you've got COM3. That's what you're going to want your Pyserial set up for. So download that, run it, you're good. Arduino set up. Now you got to set up your desktop. Okay, at the desktop we've already got everything loaded in, ready to go. So let's click on our Tony, and you can also copy from the tutorial the Python serial code. And again, just to kind of show you if I messed it too fast there, here's your Arduino code. You've got your Python 3 code here that you can just click and download. That'll give you your Tony. You can go to your Tony then, copy paste that. You'll want to make sure you're set up here, COM3. Your next thing is you're going to have your import serial, sys, and time. Now, sys and time are already included, but serial may not be for what you have. So if that's the case, you'll want to go to Tools, click your Manage Packages, and you're going to want to basically take a look and make sure to see if Pyserial is there. If it's not, just go on up, enter Pyserial here, and select your search. You're good to go. Install that. Once it comes up, you see it loaded there. You're good to go. Just click Close. You're okay. The other thing you can do is you want to basically go to your Manage Plugins. Once you're in your Manage Plugins, you'll basically want to do the same there. You want to see, is Python serial loaded up here or not? If it is, you're good to go. Otherwise, same thing. Enter Python serial there, do a search, let it load, click Close. You're good to go. Now, you've got your Arduino sketch loaded. You've got your Tony program and Pi all ready to go. All you're going to want to do now is just run it. You can either click Run, or you can go to your little icon there to run that. Once you've done that, you'll see the output in the bottom. When you see basically you've got communications, it's sending value 1. Got it. Send it received. Okay, you know you're communicating. So you're sending values back and forth. That's all you need to see. And you know you're communicating back and forth. That's Python serial example to Arduino. Thanks a lot. Hope that helped. Bye-bye.